Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the Microsoft login issue when you forgot your Microsoft account. So how to reset your password in Microsoft account. So first of all, you need to type your micro account login, and once you type Microsoft account login, you should able to see the Microsoft page here. Just click on that option, then click on sign in option. Now you need to enter your Microsoft account here. So let me enter the Microsoft account here. Then you need to click on next option, and once you click on next option, you need to go to the use the password, and you can see here forgot your password. Just click on this option, and once you see this option, your email address should be showing up here. Then you need to click on the send code option or get code option here, and your code will be sent on this email address. So once the code is sent on your email address, it might be logged in on your phone. So you need to type here the code here. So let me type here the code. And once you verified your code from your phone, you can see here you can retype your password. And then click on next option here, and your password was changed. So click on sign in again, and you need to type your new password here. So once you enter your correct username and password, you should able to log in into the Microsoft account. So that's all for this video guys. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.